Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Update the OS and confirm the Iqoo Neo 10R firmware is current. Once done, go to Settings and open Dynamic Island. Toggle it on and grant notification access so apps can send live updates. Make sure to enable gestures if you prefer swipe controls. You should also pick the core apps to allow Dynamic Island notifications from. This reduces clutter and ensures the feature shows useful information immediately. Now customize how Dynamic Island behaves so it matches your workflow. You choose which apps show banners, music, timers, navigation, and incoming calls are typical, and set the display duration and animation style where the phone allows it. Once done, configure long press and double tap actions to jump into specific app functions, and prioritize important apps so their alerts appear above others. Make sure to test with music and a timer to confirm animations. Finish by testing. Place a call, play music, and start navigation to see Dynamic Island in action and verify quick actions. If animations stutter or notifications don't appear, restart the phone first. That often clears transient issues. Make sure background app refresh and notification permissions remain enabled. If problems persist, reset Dynamic Island preferences in Settings and regrant permissions. This clears misconfigurations and usually restores expected behavior. If not, contact support with your firmware version and a brief description of the symptom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.